All right, so Friday what we did was we took what the total perimeter was and one of the sides to be able to find the other side. So today we're focusing on these other shapes that have more than four sides or fewer than four sides, okay? Just other shapes besides rectangles and squares, okay? So over here it says find the missing side length of the polygon below. When we have perfect polygons, we can assume that all the sides are going to be what? Equal or the same. Very good. They're all going to be the same. So we are given our total perimeter. If we are giving our total and we are trying to create equal groups, what do? We have a total.
We divide it by the number of sides.
By the number of sides. Very, very good. Awesome. So instead of multiplying the number of sides times their length to get your perimeter, we are given the perimeter and we're going to divide that by the number of sides. So how many sides does a hexagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So our division problem is going to be 60 divided by 6. What that means? Okay, hold on 1 second. Gavin, you got the answer already, baby? Mm-hmm. All right, so if we do not like division problems, how can we turn this into a multiplication problem?
6 divided by 6 times and equals 6.
6 times something equals 60. So what would give us 60 if we multiply by 6? 10. So our missing number is 10. So that means that all of the sides are going to be 10 inches. So we have 10 inches, 10 inches, 10 inches. Now, once we get our answer, how can we check ourselves just to make sure we got it correct?
60 divided by 6 equals 10. Or add them all together.
Add them all together. We can find the total perimeter, and we should get an answer of
60.
Okay, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. All right, see a couple of you with your masks still off, guys. We need to have those on, please. I know it's not fun when we come back in from recess. All right, so this one we have a triangle. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
3. So what might our division problem look like when we are trying to find the length of each side?
33 divided by 3.
3. And where did we get that 3 from?
The 3 sides.
3 sides. Where did we get 33 from?
The total perimeter.
The total perimeter. Okay. So is anybody confused about where we're coming up with some of these numbers?
No.
Arissa, can you please put your mask on, baby? Are you raising your hand for the answer? All right, give me just a second. Okay. All right, so let me finish my question before you answer. What is 33 divided by 3? Or 3 times what would give us 33? What is it?
11.
11. We all should have gotten 11 centimeters. So that means the left side is 11 centimeters. What's the right side?
11 centimeters.
What's the bottom side?
11 centimeters.
Okay. We still go okay?
Yep.
All right, so it says find the missing side length of the polygon below. We're given the exact same information that we were just given, except we have a different shape. What shape is this?
It's basically a square.
It's basically a square that's turned on its side, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we can assume that all the sides are going to be what? Equal, the same. All of the sides should be the same. So what would our division problem be?
32 divided by 4 equals n. Or equals.
All right, where did we get 32 from?
The total
The
perimeter.
total perimeter. Where did we get 4 from?
The number of sides.
The number of sides. Very good. So I need you to take a second and try to solve 32 divided by 4. Mackenzie, snack time is over. You need to have your mask on. All right, so before we come up with the answer, what is the inverse operation of division?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So what could our multiplication problem be to help us solve
4 times
Yeah.
n equals 32.
4 times n equals 32? So either way, what would our answer be?
8.
N equals 8 centimeters. Or 8 centimeters, yeah. So 8 centimeters. Once again, if we get this as our answer, how can we check our work?
Add them all together.
Add all of your sides back together. So 2 ways that we find perimeter. What are the 2 ways we find perimeter? One of them,
Tick marks.
what do we do with those tick marks?
We count them out.
Count all your tick marks around the squares, okay? Or what's the other way that we find perimeter?
Add them all together.
Add up all the sides, okay? So that is going to be very good information with the problems that we are about to do. So let's go to the next one real quick. This is not a perfect polygon because all the sides are what?
Different.
Different. Are any of these the same?
No.
Well, I mean, like the 2, 2, 9, and 9. But they're all like different, right? We are given the total perimeter, but we can't divide. Why can we not divide?
Because we can't.
There's so many different numbers, right? With division, they all have to be the same, equal, just like multiplication, equal groups, the same. So with this, we cannot divide or multiply to solve, okay? So, you know how we talk about, like, in math, there's things that you like and things that you don't like, and it's not really a reason, your brain just likes it one way over the other, okay? Most everybody likes addition over subtraction, right? Okay, so the way that I remember how to solve this is I like adding better. So your first step is to add. So step 1 is to add, hold on. And then step 2 is to subtract, okay? So step 1 is to add, step 2 is subtract. So what you're gonna do, hey,
I'm sorry.
you're okay.
Yeah, y'all love me on this week. I need you to put on a picture. Can I get one?
Yeah.
Please?
Yeah, I'm recording. Let me stop it real quick. So I have to do it for virtual this week. It's okay.